It's a complicated thing, this tree column. We needed to visualize point layout for the survey team on site. Having the 3D helps you visualize.
This is the design model here. This is what it will eventually look like, and there's panels that go on top, and then you can sort of see those panels are attached to these clips.
So every part of that metal jacket surrounding the columns has a specific design location. The field crew needed to measure versus the clip to find out how much shimming needed to happen at each one of the attachment points to get the panels to line up.
We have this list of points that comes out of the Carlson software that's used by the field crews. It's a list of points that is really just a text file. The hardest lift here was being able to parse that data out from a text file. So if you were to have to type all of that in manually, potentially if you had hundreds of points, that would take you quite a while. But we're able to use scripting to parse those dynamically and create usable data really fast. We can automate that. We have the ability to be very flexible in the way that we're handling data. We're not stuck in a certain workflow. If we have a problem, if we have data coming in a specific format that we need to visualize, we can adapt to be able to use that however we need to. And we can integrate it with our existing services. It allows us to sort of begin to bring all of the data that we have together in one place and integrate that and find ways to connect it and visualize it together to create something that's more than the individual parts. Apply specific solutions, writing code either by hand or with artificial intelligence, usually both, to solve complex problems for our clients in ways that we weren't able to before. If you are going to build a really complicated building, it's one thing to have a really good design. It's another thing to have people behind that design making sure that everything is built correctly, everything goes in the right place, and to trust that they have the technology and skills to achieve what you want built. And I think that's something that we can provide.